Hi there! In this video, we're going to showcase our new Lumber update. With this new version, our users are now able to update their models in their forest project with no effort at all. To showcase this feature, we're going to use a workshop project template that has a few tables in it, some customers, products, and some documents as well. Let's add a new table called Transactions to this database. First, we're going to create a new table in our database using a plain SQL statement. In our current project, the directory models contains all the tables that have been generated when creating the project using the lumber generate command. Next, let's update our models and add our new transaction table in here using the new lumber update command. We'll just open a terminal, navigate to our project directory, and issue the command. In order to do this, users need to have a minimum version number of 4.0.0 for Lumber, but it's always best to stay fully up to date. The Lumber update command will look at our database now and create the missing files within the project. In our case, we're missing the new model transactions, but also the forest and route files related to it. Once the command is finished running, your model/transactions.js file within your forest admin project will contain all of the field and relationship definitions of the new transactions table. Before we're good to go, we'll need to restart the forest agent tab. After this, the forest page will notify us that the project schema has changed and that we need to refresh the page to update the UI. It's important to note that by default, new collections are always hidden on the UI. To make them visible, you'll need to use our built-in layout editor, just like this. Now we can see the new collection called Transactions on our UI. And that's it. With only a few steps, we've now gone over how we can add a new table to our existing forest admin project with no effort at all. Now, let's say we want to add a new field to our existing table here. We'll start by creating a field in the customers table using a plain SQL statement. The lumber update command will only generate the missing files in the project. If we want to update our customers model in the project, all we need to do is delete the model file and issue the lumber update command. The command will only generate the model file and skip the forest and route files. That means that all your smart fields, smart actions, and the layout of the collection will remain unchanged. Once the Node.js agent app has been restarted, we need to refresh the UI to display the latest updated schema. And there it is. Now our new field is visible in the customers collection. We're slowly coming to the end of our lumber update video. One last thing before we go. If you want to know more about the additional options available for our new command, all you need to do is use the command lumber update --help or lumber update -h, and you'll get a list of options that you can use. If you have any questions, don't forget to look through our documentation at docs.forestadmin.com or reach out to us on social or in our dev community. See you next time.